In today's tutorial, I will show you how to make money online using smart shopping. So stay with me until the end of the video. Check out the product here for $32.81 available online for $5.48. A product is listed for $80 on an e-commerce platform, but on another platform it's yours for an amazing price of $16.82 of amazing quality and saving all rolled into one. Now this is a secret to unlock an amazing deal. Go to online market called Temu. It has a lot of deals like electronics. As you can see here, they give up to 90% discount on their product. If you double click on it, it will show us many products with big discount, but only for a limited time. For example, some of them you can get up to $13 instead of $20. You just save $97, or other products you can see here. For example, you pay $5 instead of $50 and save extra money again. You will having an extra source of income. They have a variety of products. Like I said, they also have a lot of traffic. For example, this one official has sold over 100,000 and has about 65,000 reviews on product. And by the way, you can use their app on your smart. This app is available on both iOS and Android platforms. We already have over 100 million downloads on Google Play. Alone, almost 2 million reviews. It's crazy to have a review. You can choose one of these other options like Google or Facebook, or you can easily register with your email or phone number. So I noticed that this platform is taking legal action against some fake website. So to be safe, make sure you download the app only from App Store or Google Play after you sign up and log into your account. This is how the homepage looks like. You also on the homepage a lot of products with big discount you will find if you want to save money when shopping online on this platform. It looks like a good option for it. The place where it says best sellers is where you can find the best selling products. Now we click on it. If we take a look at this product, for example, it has been sold more than 100,000 times and many people reviewed it, but you can also search for any other products you want here. For example, I search for men's shoes here and we choose one of them. You can also check other people's reviews to see if the products look good. And it's very interesting that one of the advantages of this platform is that you can get quality products at very low prices, but I recommend that you check the price before buying. After opening the program, you can go to free credit and free gift when you click on the first one. If you invited your friends, you will receive 5 free gifts. Another advantage of the platform is that it's very secure and you can buy and sell these products on the platform at the real price. Social networks like Facebook, Instagram, other platforms, or you can also get up an online store for yourself. In this way, you can earn a very good income using this platform.